Hello, this is Kristen Yusei. I just switched to student view, so I should be seeing this from the student perspective. I won't be able to see IXL from the student perspective, but I'm going to go to modules. This is where Jordan finds all his homework, including the Outsiders text and all weekly assignments. If he's missing things, he can always go to past weeks and submit them. You can click the arrow to minimize or expand. Week 6 is where he finds one of his IXL assignments he's missing. I added this link, so it will pop out to a new tab. Sign in with Google. For me, I see it from a teacher's perspective, but for me, I just go to learning because I can see what my students are doing. And I'm going to scroll to 7th grade, kind of the way you were doing it before. Here I can see the starred assignments. I can see this one starred, J.2 and O.3. Those are the two assignments from this semester. There's really only 2 that I assign, but they're both starred. Click. Here it will show the questions answered, how much time Jordan spent, and then this is the SMART score. The instructions, if I go back to this tab, will say, please work on IXL 0.3 skill use in text citations. Make sure you're working in the correct skill that was assigned. Please see these 2 videos in order to better understand in-text citations that you will use on your informational essay. This will take me to another link if he needs to use this link. It has 2. Oh, that took me to the wrong link. I'm gonna have to fix that. But anyway, there is 2 videos that I put into one of the module folders, or he can just Google in-text citations, MLA, whatever. Please work in IXL to complete this lesson until you reach an 80 SMART score or higher. So the SMART score is here. It goes up and down depending on how many questions he gets right, how many questions he gets wrong. Here's an example of an IXL question for this skill. The type of plants that have been discovered outside of our solar system vary greatly. The source is Super Earths by Adam Hazy, page 40. The periods at the end of the sentence, of course, I'm going to put the author's last name and page number. I believe that's right, or what IXL is expecting. And I'll say yes. But if I get this wrong, let's say I put honeybees, the title, instead of the author's name, and submit it, and I get it wrong, it will explain what the correct answer is and some rules for rules for in-text citations. So these things serve as advice to help Jordan to get the correct answer on the next question. When he's done and he gets a SMART score of 80, I put in, this is a PowerPoint, but I'm in student view, so I can't see it. I'm not logged in through my student Google address, but this is a PowerPoint with step-by-step directions on how to take a screenshot and how to submit a screenshot. This is a video that has the same thing. I can make it even bigger. It shows students how to submit a screenshot. So that's it. There's only 2 IXL assignments. Like I said, I would check the grades tab because those are just 2 assignments for the whole semester. I wouldn't stress too much about that because it's only 2 assignments. I would look to see what else is missing. And then I would make a list. Go back into the modules folders and look for those assignments inside the modules folders. Something handy I've been doing is in my announcements, I've been posting an agenda for the week. So this is this week's agenda. All of these are blue clickable links for what students can do each day. But since Jordan's missing some late work, he'll have to find all that stuff in the modules folder, or he could go to past week's agendas too. I started doing this February 18th. I hope this information was helpful. I hope it makes sense. Any questions you have, email me, call me. I'm happy to help. Thanks.